Let's go ahead and take a look at this price action that we got here on a Thursday. And it looks like it's pretty nice here for potential traders, kind of giving us the direction. So the reason why I say that is because we had the run up here coming up the top without getting too much into the back history. We got this awesome run up here yesterday on Wednesday's price action. Then we had to trade out through the evening kind of sideways. And it looked like it was wanting to try to break through the 21 there. And it actually started to show possible breakdown. But we did want to wait for the market change and then go ahead, and I went out to the 30-minute here. And from there, we went ahead and marked the top of so the first candle was right here. So in my case, it's 7 o'clock to 7:30 is when that candle closes. So this one opens at 7:30 and closes at 8. Or 7:30, I mean. Yeah, it closes at 8, sorry. So anyways, we want to mark the top of that candle and the bottom of that candle on the wicks. So you have that big open gap. And then what we expect it to do is break down or break up inside that pattern. Well, after that close here on the 15-minute, you can see it went ahead and went sideways, and the 21 continued to put pressure down. We lost that. This was a heavy level of support at 81,000. So we did break above the 82.5, and we started to lose that, and we tried to test it right here, which was a really good sign of downwards pressure. You see this long wick candle going up, and then we saw the next candle go straight down. That's a very good sign of a continued downwards pressure. So you can see it break out. It broke the trend line of that 30-minute candle right here. We broke out, and then we're looking for it to backtest. Well, here was your backtest, and it came right up to the 21 for rejection. So that's where we wanted to look at putting our trade on, was right here. I like to put my stop above the other breakout or the other 30-minute, top of the 30-minute candle, either way. So that would have been where I would have wanted to put my stop. And then just run this out to your 3 to 1, which in this case, a smart area would have been at the 200 on the 15-minute. For us to get into right here. So if you look at it, if you put $100 on, you would have made $288, or $100 on like that, that would have made you $288 is what we've been looking at there. So that was that trade. And then we came down, and we did come down and test this area 78.5. So that could have been another area of target that you would have wanted to run this out to on that trade. And then you can see that we've kind of traded sideways. There was this pattern that it created right here into the evening. So we had the lower low down here off of support. It bounced. And then you can see it kind of fighting right here on the 200. But we did see it come back down and do a double candle down here. Twin sister kind of not quite. We didn't get quite enough of a long wick there, but it does have 2 wicks. So you can call those twin sisters there. And it's a higher high. So you can get this rollover bounce. So it does look like this is going to kind of come back up and maybe get back above that 82.5 level, what we'd be looking at here. So that was the price action for the Thursday. It was just a nice, clean, easy move using the 30-minute top and bottom that full body candle on the 30-minute. Here in the 15-minute, you can see the candle split there. You have the bottom and the top. We broke down, back tested, and then you would take the trade right there as it crashed back through, and then go ahead and run it on out and for your profit. So quick and easy, and that's about it for now. We'll kind of stick in and see how it switches and trades through the evening. Looks like it wants to go ahead and start putting more pressure on the upside. So the bulls look like they want some control here. So that is it for the Thursday recap and looking at TA. We will see you in the next video. Again, like and subscribe, and we're going to continue to show you how price action works in this. We'll talk to you later.